When all is said and done, the best way to learn how to make the most of Bing is simply to learn on the job. Watch your metrics over time and tweak your approach accordingly. However, all the information in this video series will ensure that you're in the best position to start an effective PPC campaign generally and an effective Bing campaign specifically. The key is to look at the end result and your ROI, as opposed to just trying to get the maximum number of clicks possible. At the same time, you need to think about setting up goals and being as precise as you can with your keywords and descriptions. The other big tip: invest in Bing. Bing might not be as big as Google, but that's actually an advantage. You'll pay less and get seen more, meaning that you can bring many more visitors to your site without directly competing with the biggest players in your niche. At the same time, this way, you can give yourself a boost and start to grow your audience even with less of a budget in the bank. Then you can benefit from the surprisingly impressive unique features of Bing, including more advanced targeting, tracking, and more. And if there ever is a Google apocalypse, well, you'll be laughing.